When I'm riding through your hood, east side, be with me. So the pole at his chromosome, meet with me.
So, I'm telling y'all ahead of time because y'all on my live. I seen a hottie ask me about, well, she was like, Megan, I know it's a hot girl summer, but can we talk about global warming and stuff like that? Like, I don't know. She just asked me, can we bring, some awareness to global warming and like, protecting the environment and shit like that. So I'm like, damn, like, well, girl, lace me up. What can we do? So, like, I'm really about to get on my hot girl shit, and I'm about to start using like less plastic, and I'm gonna try to use like the same like water bottle, and I think I'm gonna organize like a beach cleanup for all the hotties, the hot girls. Y'all gotta come in y'all bikinis, and we gonna go clean up some shit. You know what I'm saying? And go clean up the beach and shit. I'm trying to figure out where we can go to plant some trees and stuff like that, because I've really been wanting to do some cool shit like that. But I didn't know how much shit you had to go through to have permission to do that. So I'm definitely putting that together. So all my hotties that want to help clean up the beach.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey, girl.
All my hotties that want to help clean up, let's do it.
You tell them about the Baywatch. Hotties on the beach.
Yes, the hotties on the beach.
The hottie cleanup.
Yes.
It's a mess on our night. And your little hands.
It's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited.
Play with, yeah. On the internet, all with the gang shit. They love to talk hot shit with a lame bitch. But when they come around me, they don't say shit. Okay.
Prolific.
Ay. Bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry. Bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry. Ay. Bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry. Bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry. Bitch, I'm in these streets. Fuck this industry. Bitch, I'm in these streets.